Greeting for all comrades. I'm Sunarno, member of President Council from Kasbi Indonesia. On behalf of Kasbi Indonesia, we would like to express our gratitude to President and all leadership of GCL to become host of the 2025 WFTU President Council and for all warm welcome for you in this historic and heroic land, Vietnam. We hope that in the future, Vietnam will be the host for the WFTU Congress. We also would like to express our gratitude to General Secretary of WFTU and all comrades in Secretariat for the leadership in the progressive worker movement. And we would like send our warm greeting and strong solidarity to all delegations of 2025 Presidential Council from all around the world. Dear comrades, the deepening of economic crisis and its impact has been happening in many parts of the world. People, especially workers, become victims of this economic crisis. Massive dismissal, precarization, and declining of worker quality of life happening in all over the world, including Indonesia. In Indonesia, the new administration of Prabowo Gibran, as the result of 2024 general election, does not bring clear and bright hope for workers and majority people of Indonesia to face the crisis and its impact. Majority of Indonesia people are experiencing life difficulties. The rising prices for basic needs and deepening of economic inequality become major issue in Indonesia. Even during 100 days of his administration, Prabowo Gibran faces massive demonstration named Dark Indonesia for the policy of spending cut and the role of the military in Indonesian politics. The situation is getting worse for Indonesia workers. In the recent year, massive dismissal happened, especially for garment and textile sector. Since 2022, more than 70 textile and garment factory closed its operation and dismissed more than 100,000 workers. In our documentation, more than 5,000 members of Kasbi have to face massive dismissal as the impact of economic crisis. Today, Indonesian workers face new challenge after the Constitutional Court on October 2024 annulled several regulations in the job creation law and urged the government to create a new labor law in 2 years. This situation will put worker movement in the fight for their interest in the new labor law. Confederasi Kasbi, alongside with more than 70 trade unions, has been working to create a draft of new labor law with in favor for workers and will have massive mobilization to pass government and parliament to adopt worker version of new labor law. Another thing that deserves of our attention is the phenomenon of platform workers. In many countries, as Indonesia, platform workers are not recognized as workers. The situation places them under very bad working conditions without legal protection for their basic right as workers. In this situation, there are no other while for years, worker and majority of people then to organize and fight more determined and militant. We call for all union under WFTU banner to increase international solidarity and fight together against capitalism and imperialism. We will never let the Palestinian people fight alone for the freedom. We will never let people in Cuba, Venezuela and other countries fight alone against imperialist economic blockade, and we will always fight together as working class for better world. We believe that WFTU has been and always play an important role in the time of crisis and become the leader of the movement of the people. Thank you and respect to all comrades. Long live working class, long live WFTU. Salam muda berani militan.